If you haven't noticed quite yet, that July 4th barbecue's costing you significantly more this year thanks to inflation. A new report by Wells Fargo found Americans will be spending more on burgers, chips, soda, side dishes, fireworks, everything. Ground beef, snacks, and drinks, all up more than 13% from this time last year. Chicken up 17% from a year ago. Overall, the report found the cost of a cookout for a party of 10 is up 11%. They say to save money, economists recommend you buy in bulk, sharing costs and shopping for discounts. But if you haven't gotten it by now and you're going out today, good luck.
Yeah, definitely. Well, if you're tackling a home improvement project this summer, you might find it's easier to get a contractor now compared to last year.
Now, that doesn't mean, though, there won't be delays. Consumer reporter John Mattery shares what to know before hiring a remodeler so you don't waste your money.
If there's a different place you want me to put those, I'm more than happy to move.
Lois is finally getting some work done on her home. Like so many homeowners, she was waiting a while, and she's thankful to see these painters rehabbing her rec room.
Yeah, I just look at the paint and everything, and I think, I couldn't do that.
Adam Crowell of ProMaster Home Improvement says his team is now starting to catch up with the backlog of the past 2 years.
It's kind of one of those where our foot has been on the gas pedal the whole time, and we haven't backed off at all since the pandemic hit.
But now that people are traveling again and stimulus checks have run out, demand for home improvement is beginning to slow. Adam says that means you have a better chance of getting that project done quicker than you did a year ago.
If you hire a contracting company for a job, but you find your project stuck in a holding pattern, there's a good chance it's not the contractor, but that they're waiting for supplies to work on your home.
When builders have to wait, it's costing them money.
Jerry Howard, CEO of the National Association of Home Builders, says building costs are way up and that you could still face long waits for custom cabinets, countertops, garage doors, and appliances that require computer chips. So Jerry says be patient and communicate with your remodeler along the way.
Understand what they're going through with their supply chains, understand what they're going through with subcontractors and labor. If you do, you'll be able to work through these problems with them and have a successful outcome.
Adam Crowell says he finally sees light at the end of the tunnel.
It is getting better.
That way you don't waste your money. I'm John Mattery.